Can green tea helps to burn fat? Clinical studies suggest that green tea may boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. Green tea can also help you lose weight and lower your risk of becoming overweight or obese. Much of this effect is likely due to caffeine, but other compounds in tea may also contribute to this effect. By helping you selectively burn the fat you have stored in your body for energy. Because each cup contains almost no calories, green tea can boost your metabolism and improve your body's efficiency for burning energy. For this reason, some estimates show that drinking green tea regularly can reduce body fat by up to 19%. Green tea may help you feel fuller and maintain a more steady energy level, resulting in less hunger cravings and less calories consumed. Although black tea is the most popular, it accounts for about 84% of all tea consumed. Green tea is reported to be grown at a much higher volume than black. Because of green tea's potential role in weight loss, we decided to take a closer look at how you can drink green tea for weight loss. Green tea can help you lose weight. Several studies have suggested that the flavonoids and caffeine in green tea can help elevate metabolic rate. You don't need to drink a lot of green tea to help you lose weight. While weight loss benefits vary based on different dynamics, they have been found by drinking as little as 2.5 cups of green tea per day. There's a right and wrong way to brew green tea. When brewing green tea, take a little extra care, as boiling water is bad for the precious catechins tea's healthy chemicals. Do bring your water to a boil, but let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then, pour the water over the tea and brew for about 1 minute before serving. Of course, the brew time can be made shorter or longer, depending on your taste. If you are drinking green tea extract in order to lose weight, the best time to drink it is 2 hours before you hit the bed. We suggest to use decaffeinated tea if you are breastfeeding. Too much caffeine may make your baby restless and result in problems sleeping. And as a very high consumption of green tea has been thought to interfere with iron absorption, we suggest limiting your intake to approximately 3 cups a day. Compounds in green tea increase levels of hormones that tell fat cells to break down fat. This releases fat into the bloodstream and makes it available as energy. If you look at the label of almost every commercial weight loss and fat burning supplement, you will likely see green tea listed as an ingredient. This is because green tea extract has been repeatedly linked to increased fat burning, especially during exercise. Several studies on green tea catechins show that although the weight loss effects are modest, a significant percentage of fat lost is harmful visceral fat. Green tea extract or catechin supplements may help you lose visceral fat, a fat that is particularly harmful to your health. Therefore, green tea should reduce your risk of many major diseases down the line, which may lead to a longer and healthier life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more health videos.